Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Forum DE where data engineers are cultivated. I hope you all are doing well and learning the SQL well. I hope our channel has helped you to gain some knowledge about SQL, some decent knowledge about SQL and also the other technologies related to data engineering. So before starting today's topic, that is group by clause in SQL, let me uh, you know go through some of the playlists we have started. We have started one playlist Python of by Python basics by Mr. Dinesh Kumar. He's also an industry expert. We have, you can see it on our channel Forum DE. Okay, and if different technologies related to data engineering we are uploading, okay, on a regular basis, and SQL, Docker, Power BI, and Python, and also something related to data engineering also, like Azure data engineering, we are uploading on a regular basis. So let's continue to our today's topic, that is group by clause in SQL. And I hope you all are familiar with this, you know, um, interface, SSMS, SQL Server Management Studio. Okay, so and you all are using this to practice SQL. And for the audience which is new to our channel, like which is for watching this video for the SQL series for the first time, let me give a glimpse of this. This is an SSMS SQL Server Management Studio tool which help us to host the SQL Server, and to hold a database, to practice, and to execute our data sets. This is a tool provided by Microsoft. And on the left hand panel pane, you can see the databases which this server holds. Okay, and new query from where, if we click, it will show us this kind of interface, this kind of window where we can write our queries to query our data. So for today's topic, that is group by, I have already created one sales table, so we will work on that table to explain, okay, this topic. Okay, so let me uh, show that table. Okay, this is the table I have created. So before going to the topic group by, let me explain you what group by does. So as the name is implementing group by, it is group the similar kind of rows in a column. Okay, in one group, similar kind of data in a column. Suppose, like you have customer ID 1 is repeating, right? And I want, like, how much quantity, and how much total quantity the customer ID 1 has purchased and 1 has buy. Okay, so we have 3, so it will club the customer ID, okay, as one row, and it will show the corresponding sum of the quantity. Okay, so suppose I giving a layman example. So we have some 5 cities, or 2 3 cities, like mm, or states like Delhi. Delhi is not a city. So, like Punjab, like Madhya Pradesh, Mumbai. So I want to, how many cars are there? So I will apply group by clause in the state or the city. It will show how, okay, it will club sum the cars and show the corresponding cars respect, corresponding to the state. Okay, so let me explain you with the help of this example. Suppose I want to, I want, the quantity as purchased by each customer. So what I will do, I will query, select customer ID, some quantity from sales. I want to group by customer ID. Okay, we execute this. See, If I execute both, I can explain it better. So if see, I have customer ID 123 only present in this above table, right? Okay, and it has sum the quantity. Okay, let me name this as I'm giving an analyze. Okay, so that the, so it has group 111 in a single row and sum this quantity. Okay, 2 and 1 3 and 1 4. This is sum is 7. So it has given me total quantity 7 for 1. For 2, 2 1 2 2 1 plus 2 3 and 2 2 4. Sorry, 3 plus 2 5 5. Okay, so it has corresponding given me corresponding total quantity. So I hope it is quite clear to you like what group by does. So in day-to-day scenario, group by plays an important role. Okay, so suppose we have to aggregate the data, we have to find an average of anything. So it is helping us for that. Okay, so suppose I want no customer ID, but I want average. You can find average also. Uh, and I have already explained, that aggregation functions in my previous lecture. Okay, previous video. So it has given the average also. Okay, so suppose I want count of or count star. See, it has given me one has three, two has three. Like how many counts are there? Like one, how many ones are there? How many how many time customer ID with one has buy the product? So all these kind of thing it is grouping together and is giving you the results. Okay, so this kind of functionality group by is providing us, and you know, um, suppose you have a worldwide data set, which have different countries, India, USA, Pakistan, and many other countries are there, and you want to show the um, uh, how like how many software professionals in data scientists or data engineers, software professionals in a country wise. So with the help of group by, you can select simply group the professionals, data scientists by country, and you can have the data. So this kind of functionality group by is providing us. And for group by, this is all. And in the next lecture, we will try to cover the having clause. Okay, and in upcoming lectures, we will go to some advanced versions, that is Windows functions, subqueries. That kind of topic we will touch. And moreover, uh, in upcoming ones, we are launching a course also on SQL, and any one of you if want to join, if you want the deep insights of SQL, want industry level knowledge what we are doing in our day-to-day life as a data engineer in industry. Okay, so you can join that course, and keep learning, happy learning. Keep subscribe our Please subscribe and share and like our channel. It helps us to make the more videos, and we are building a community of data engineers, and keep learning. Thank you everyone.